Hello and welcome back to Splendor's Medi. Today we are tackling a common yet often overlooked problem: snoring. This issue not only disrupts sleep but can also strain relationships and affect overall health. Luckily, we have a simple and natural solution for you. Let's dive right in. Snoring is the sound that occurs during sleep when air passes over relaxed tissues in the throat, causing them to vibrate. While occasional snoring is normal, chronic snoring can signal underlying health issues like sleep apnea. Studies show that loud, persistent snoring is often linked to obstructive sleep apnea, that is the OSA, a condition that disrupt breathing during sleep. This can lead to daytime fatigue, irritability, and even heart-related problems if left untreated. Snoring isn't just a nuisance, it can affect your health and relationship. Chronic snoring can lead to poor sleep quality for both you and your partner, increased daytime fatigue, and irritability. Potential health risks if linked to conditions like sleep apnea. Now, let's talk about a natural and effective remedy to reduce snoring. This drink is packed with nutrients that promote better breathing and reduce throat inflammation. Here's what you will need: 2 green apples, 2 carrots, 1 lemon, and 1 slice of fresh ginger. So we are going to prepare it, and here is how you do it. You cut the green apples and carrot into small pieces. Then you peel the ginger and then you slice it. You squeeze the lemon juice into a blender and add all the ingredients into the blender and blend until smooth. That's it. This nutrient-packed drink is ready to work its magic. Drink this every night before going to bed. Here is why it is very effective. Do you know that the green apples are rich in antioxidants? They help reduce inflammation in the throat. The carrots are loaded with vitamin A, which support respiratory health. Lemon too contains vitamin C, which clear mucus and improve airflow. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, it smooths the airway and reduces snoring. Together, these ingredients improve airflow, reduce throat vibrations, and help you sleep peacefully. Snoring is more than a personal problem. It can strain relationships, especially in families where it disrupts sleep. By using this simple remedy, you can not only improve your health but also restore harmony in your home. And yes, this remedy is safe for children too. Snoring doesn't have to control your nights or your relationships. With this natural remedy, you are just a step away from better sleep and better health. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you. Thank you for watching Splendor's Medi. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural remedies and wellness tips. Sweet dreams, and see you next time.